What do you think about Queensland so far?
Beautiful.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Really nice for a place. Have a can of Coke and a Tim Tam, innit?
Good morning, welcome to the channel, and this is day 6. We are in beautiful Southport, Queensland, 7 a.m. We're going to have an amazing day. Not too sure what we're going to be doing at the moment. Hope you enjoyed Ayers Rock Uluru yesterday. We had an absolute wonderful time. We arrived in Brisbane about 9 o'clock last night. There was an accident on the motorway. It took 2 hours to get down here to Southport, so pretty late night. A few hours kip. Window just shut there for some, well, pretty windy out there actually this morning. But yeah, come and join us for another amazing adventure here in a land down under. So this is what Southport is looking like, and Surfers Paradise over in the distance there. It was a wild night in Queensland last night. A lot of wind today. Oh, it's very windy this morning. It's still absolutely beautiful out here in Southport. I can't believe it's Saturday morning. We've been gone a week today. Winds are blowing at 37 miles an hour today. Well, I'm a Celebrity fans. That used to be the Celebrity Hotel, the Palazzo Versace. Look how beautiful the mountains of Tambourine are looking this morning. It sure is beautiful in Queensland, eh? Currently looking north towards Brisbane now. On the signpost there, Surfers Paradise to the right hand side, Labrador to the left, and SeaWorld. There is SeaWorld directly in the middle of the picture. That's a nice car.
going to be a very different video today. It's more of a chill out. Me and Glynn not going to do any driving today or anything like that, but we'll still take you guys along. Simply stunning, isn't it, around here? Wow. And what a great place to come and eat. Look at that. You can see the wind is really, really strong today. About 37 mile an hour gusts. How wonderful is that? We are here and the sun is coming out. And it is simply stunning. Absolutely beautiful. And we've got an amazing sort of picture there if you're into photography. Dark sky, blue sky, green grass and the water. Everywhere you look is just beautiful. You can see the wind is blowing the water this way. Look at those beautiful, like wildflowers here. Like that, guys, even though it's very, very windy today, that's such a beautiful shot. And just look at them waves whipping them into the edge of the path today. Look at the this tree. This is fabulous. Let's go on wide angle so you can see that a little bit more. That's just stunning, isn't it? And it's right on the water's edge. So that tree is not short of any water source. I think the clouds today are just fabulous. You've got a tree out there in the water itself. So you've all heard about the saying, touch wood. I think we should do that. Touch wood. All about grounding, I believe. We're enjoying the video today from here in Queensland. Shame it is windy. I've got the drones up and showing you some spectacular sights. Even though it is windy, it's still lovely and warm, about 23. So we've got oranges growing on the tree there. They're actually mandarins. Really enjoyed coming here, and the scenery is fabulous. You can see all the wineries there. 95, the overflow.
Long time ago, eh?
That is a long time. So we're going to have a drink of Coke, and we're going to have some Tim Tams. Good old famous Australian biscuit or cookie if you're from America. So Glynn's chilling out there. He's going to have a white Tim Tam biscuit.
I've got a can.
What do you think about Queensland so far?
Beautiful.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Really nice for a place. Have a can of Coke and a Tim Tam, innit?
Then, day 6 comes to an end. Been a wonderful day, even though it's been very, very windy in Queensland and pretty rainy. We've had a fabulous day, so not much videoing for you guys today, and there is a reason for that. We did make a special journey to a very special lady, and we had some fish and chips with her. And it was a deal that I actually did last year to say, we will be back. Might have to make that deal again. Sounds good. So, yeah, we had a lovely catch up, and we're going to be catching up with her again on Tuesday. We've been out with friends for most of the day, and that little sort of picnic at the end was absolutely wonderful, sitting on the grass, looking down at the reservoir. So I hope you've enjoyed this very short video today. Join us for day 7. It is a Sunday here in Queensland, and it is actually Glynn's birthday on the 13th of April 2025. So join us for Glynn opening his cards here in Queensland. Thanks for watching. Big thumbs up, drop me some comments, and of course please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you for day 7 real soon.